guys what is happening in my life, but sometimes I just want to live in the moment. I don't want to vlog. I don't want to do anything. I just want to go about my day without thinking, oh, this could be content for YouTube.
I love you, Lord. My daddy, my Valentine, yeah.
Ooh, it's a beautiful weather. It's a beautiful day to be a black woman. Okay, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl again, Niella, and today is Sunday, 20th of March 2022. The time is 12:20. Anyways, how are you guys doing? Hope you guys are doing okay. Hope you're doing well. It's been a while since I saw you guys. I think the last time I actually filmed a Sunday vlog for you guys was, I think it was the day before Valentine's Day, and that was it. I haven't really filmed, like, I've just, tried to live in the moment of things happening around me. So to vlog now, it's like, I would like to bring out my phone to vlog. I'm like, do you know what, just enjoy this to yourself. I've been selfish of late, let me just put it that way, and I don't regret it. I'm sorry guys, I'm supposed to be showing you guys what is happening in my life, but sometimes I just want to live in the moment. I don't want to vlog. I don't want to do anything. I just want to go about my day without thinking, oh, this could be content for YouTube. Anyways, like I said, I want to make stew. I'm just going to quickly grab stuff I'm going to use. So guys, this is what I'm going to be using for stew today. I really don't want to use this. This is what we usually use around the first time when we moved into Canada. This Alima, I think is Alima. I guess that's the pronunciation, or Alima. Diced tomato. I used to like it then because it felt like life made easy instead of buying tomato, and we didn't have a blender around the time we moved in, so we just felt okay. And Stanley never really liked it. I really didn't see why he didn't like it, but now, because he always, whenever he wants to cook, he always likes to buy the fresh tomato himself, and he cuts them up with pepper and stuff. But while I was thinking about it yesterday and telling him, I'm like, I really don't want to use Salima. I'm just going to add this paste just because. I can ignore it, but just because. This onions, I feel like it should be fine, or I can get more. Onions is like a secret to sweet stew. See, even if you get a really bad tomato and the tomato doesn't taste so well, pump it with onions. Pump it with onions. The taste will never remain the same. If you don't like seeing onions in your food, fine, grind it and grind the shit out of it, and maybe it becomes too smooth. So I'm just going to grab pepper. I'm going to be using 1 or 2. Okay, maybe 2, because this is freaking hot. Like, this is so hot. The time I tried 3, I couldn't even taste the stew. I tried to clear the rice. Let me show you. Oh, so we're almost done. And I was thinking this was going to get through to today, and will be enough for me to take to work on Monday and probably Tuesday, but looking at it now, I don't think that's going to be possible. So it's such a beautiful day today. I'm just going to quickly go out so show you. Okay, so it's such a beautiful day. The sun is out, and yeah, okay, it's a black girl. It's a black girl. Black girl. Black girl. So guys, I always wash my meat before I pack them in Ziploc and put them in the fridge. It just makes it easier for me when I want to cook them, so I don't have to start worrying about washing it or trying to, I think it's masticate, I don't know, or trying to thaw the meat. Yeah, trying to thaw whatever meat, chicken, goat, regular beef, turkey, trying to thaw before washing it, because you can never really wash it when it's very frozen. Like really wash it well when it's very frozen. And yeah, so I like to wash it once I buy. I like to wash it first, then put them in different sieves so that they can drain as much water as possible, and then I just drain to the pot.
Most Empire. Jerusalem is my home. It's my home. It's my home. It's my home. Yeah. Listen. Jerusalem, ikayala me.
So I've succeeded in putting the meat on the instant pot. I don't know why it says 6 minutes for meat. I mean, it will cook in 6 minutes, but I want it really cooked because I'm going to grill the shit out of it, then put it back into the stew. So that's my plan. I want it really soft, and then I'll grill it really dry, then cook it back inside the stew. So that's my plan for the goat meat stew I have to make today. So I'm just going to quickly blend the alima diced, but I want to have like a smooth out stew or texture, so I'm going to blend it and I'll be right back with you guys.
I am the head and not the tail. I'm above and not beneath, 'cause I know who God says I am, and that is what I believe. I am hope, I am peace, I am joy, I am strength. I am your comfort and relief from the stress. I am strength, I am faith, I am love, I am power. I am your freedom this hour. Gilondolose, 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 Zungangishila.
Maybe this stew is enough. This stew is enough. I don't know. But I feel like the last one I may not be able to put everything in. But let's just keep going.
Somebody say Baba, Baba. Somebody say Igwe, Igwe. Somebody say Igwe, Igwe. Somebody say Baba, 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 Baba. Happy SEO, Hosanna, oh. Jerusalem is my home, it's my home, it's my home, it's my home. Listen. Jerusalem, ikayala me. Gilondoloze, hambenami. Zungangishilana. Jerusalem, ikayala me.
True. That's true, you're right. Oh, I shall know that. It's a funny thing that I had this conversation with my mom, was it last week or 2 weeks ago? You know, every time we would talk, she'd say, and she heard though that the day used to beat children and stuff like that. I said, Mommy, do you hear the way you heard? It's not like not true. It's true. She was like, eh. I said it's true that me, I'm just praying that when it's my own turn, you know, God will just help me. And I told her that's why people bring their kids back home. It's not because they have plenty money to spend, you know, or because they want to go and show their village people that, oh, see my abroad children. No, most of them are intentional. They are very, yeah. So, oh, I'll be coming back, you know. So I just told her, she said, yeah. End. That's the end, yes. That's a huge offense.
Most Empire.
So guys, I'm just looking at this stew and I'm like, I should have just cooked 2 Ziploc bags of goat meat, because this thing looks like something that will finish in one day, because there's no meat in this thing. Maybe I should have just cooked like 1.5, because I feel like 2 will be too much. We'll not see space in this stew, but this one is not enough. It's not enough at all.
Special type of feeling that I feel when I'm with you. Oh, do mommy, anytime where I stay with you. I want your heart, your soul, and your whole body.
So guys, I'm done cooking and I'm just going to, gosh, I just pulled out my lip right now and it's kind of bleeding. I'm sorry if it's going to irritate you guys, but I just finished cooking and I already cleaned up everywhere. The next thing, I already put the clothes, like I already switched the clothes. This is really messy, so anyways, ignore the situation. So next thing I'm going to do, I think I'm just going to work on my laptop for a bit, maybe try to edit some videos or just one video, and probably look at my website back end. I have been doing that for the past couple of days, or for the past 2 days, or for 2 days now. And just me looking at things, you know, from my back end, see what I need to do, what I'm missing, what I need to upgrade, stuff like that. Anyways, and what else do I plan to see? I plan to take a walk today, but I think I'm just going to leave it for next week. Hopefully next weekend the weather is going to be as great as this. It's a bit windy, but the sun is out. You can see I'm just taking it from the sun, because so yeah, I'll probably just watch some TV, because I actually plan to sleep today. Let me not lie. Yeah, maybe that's why I started my day pretty late. But yeah, that's basically it. Any other thing I get to do for the rest of the day, I'm going to let you guys know. But for the most part, I'll probably be working on my laptop, or I'll be watching TV. And thank you guys so much for always watching my Sunday vlogs. I know different people have kind of resonated to different content I share on my channel. Some people prefer my skincare videos, some people prefer when I talk about Canada, some people like my Sunday vlogs. But thank you for always watching, and I don't take this for granted. I'll probably see you guys in my next one. If I don't end up doing anything, I'll probably just end this vlog here. I don't really have anything else to do. I may be tempted to boil a new set of goat meat, because I feel like this is too small and I don't think I want to do that maybe like in the middle of the week. This girl is saying thank you so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
Show me your dimple. Where is your